What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be recommending 4 summer scents that I still get away with wearing in winter. But before I talk about those, I just wanted to ask that if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just click that red subscribe button down below. You've no idea how much it helps out, especially if you're already enjoying the content. So if you haven't subscribed yet, just click that button. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about 4 summer scents that I still wear in winter. The first fragrance I'm going to be talking about today is Davidoff's Cool Water. This smells almost identical to a brisk walk in a cold, slightly damp rainforest, or the bush if you're here in Australia. It's an iconic men's fragrance, maybe the most iconic men's fragrance. And it is also a clone of, or technically a clone of, or at least a close approximation of Creed's Green Irish Tweed. That one comes in at over $300 Australian though, and this one is $25 for 125 ml. This is much better value, obviously. It's iconic, it performs quite well given how fresh it is. And yeah, I love wearing this after I shower. It's such a reinvigorating scent and it's refreshing, it's fresh, it's masculine. It's just a fantastic scent all around. If you haven't tried this one yet, absolutely check it out. The next fragrance I'm going to be recommending is Coach for Men. This is a 30 ml bottle and I got it for $30 from Chemist Warehouse. I wouldn't recommend the 30 ml in terms of value, but the larger bottle wasn't on special and I really wanted a bottle of it, so I just got the 30 ml, as I'll probably never truly use it all. It smells a little like Dior Sauvage, a little less dense and slightly fresher. We've got some citrus in the opening, and then as it dries down it becomes more aromatic and you get some amber and some amberwood. It's not as dense as Sauvage or Tobacco Craftsman, but it does have a slight thickness to it. It is a fantastic men's fragrance, it's very masculine, it performs decently as well. I would recommend the larger bottle though. Next up is a fragrance I used to speak about quite often in the early days of the channel, and that's Silver Scent Pure. This is the more fresh, summery take on the Silver Scent DNA. I am actually going to waste a spray of this one. Here's the bottle, because it smells fantastic. It does have a bit of that fabric softener, grape soda vibe, as do the majority of the Silver Scent fragrances. I'm not going to say all of them though, because Infinite Silver doesn't have that grape soda vibe to it. This though, it packs a really big wallop of citrus in the opening, really brightens the fragrance, really freshens it up. It's an incredibly versatile fragrance, and if you just want to smell fresh, clean, and wear a fragrance that lasts and keeps performing, definitely check out Silver Scent Pure. $35 Australian that you're not going to regret spending. And finally, we have Tommy Bahama's Maritime. You can get this for $40 Australian depending on where you buy it. I've seen it go down as low as $20 on eBay, so maybe check there first. This smells like a much fresher take on Abercrombie & Fitch's Fierce DNA. It is fresher, more aquatic, but it still has that really prominent aromatic lavender note. It smells fantastic. It is an eau de cologne though, but in my experience, Maritime does perform better than most eau de colognes I've tried. It's a fantastic scent and you can definitely pull it off in the winter time. Performance for Maritime isn't fantastic, but it's still decent for an eau de cologne. Every fragrance that I've mentioned today is technically a summer scent, but I would absolutely recommend wearing them in the winter time. Wearing fresher scents in the winter helps you stand out from the crowd that are wearing sickly sweet, really dense fragrances. You're just going to smell like you know what you're doing, you're going to get a lot of compliments, and people are going to ask you what you're wearing more often because they're not smelling the same thing over and over again. Anyways, if you've ever worn any of these before in the wintertime, let me know in the comments below, and until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel and I'll catch you guys around.